Hello my beautiful people, welcome back to a nice and chilly evening. Winter is definitely upon us. I'm very happy to be here tonight. I'm going to be doing something a lot of fun that I saw my friend Masse doing from Masse Artist Studios. But before we get started, I wanted to show you the dried results from the last pour. This was the demonstration of the ring pour versus the straight pour, the ring pour versus the straight pour. And they are dry now and they turned out so pretty. This was with that permanent red violet and that plummy color that I made. You can see the red violet in there and the plum, and then the dioxazine purple. And that bronze just blinging. I love these lines in here. Do you see that, HOA?
Oh yeah, baby.
And this one too turned out really, really cool. I like that, kind of like a sky and I guess, yeah. Maybe an ocean in there. Pretty cool stuff. And then I wanted to show you guys this one also. This one I had paint left and I used it after we stopped rolling, but this was another one of those wandering wing pours like Sushi Mountain. Came out really, really pretty. Do you see the bronze in there, Joey?
Uh-huh.
Very cool.
Yeah, I do.
Very cool stuff. So I want to show you those before we start. So I was watching Lee and Jeremy, and Lee did a stuffed pretzel pour. It was really, really cute. He had done a pretzel pour previously to that, and he went through the center of it. So first he came across this way, and then he went across again, and then he stretched that out, opened up, and it was like this beautiful lattice. And I really, really like that, and apparently he did too, because that's what the stuffed pretzel pour video was about. So please go check out his video, the stuffed pretzel pour. Lee and Jeremy are also teaching with us at Fluid Art Experience in Dallas, Texas, coming up in a couple of weeks. Very, very exciting around here. We've been packing things up and making lists and checking things off and general mayhem. But
Sound
it's
like
been
Santa.
Almost, yeah. So Christmas is a-coming. But I'm very excited to be going to Dallas and to see all of them again and to see all the other amazing artists that are going to be there. It's going to be a lot of fun. If you guys can, check out our website at www.fluidartexperience and check out my classes. Come and paint with me. So let's get started. That's a 15 by 30. I have painted the sides and edges and taped the back and pinned it. And that's ready to go. My base coat color and one of my colors in my pour is Golden's Paynes Grey. Now this is a little bit thinner than everything else. Actually, it could still use some water, but I may not. So that's our Paynes Grey from Golden, and I'll also show you that color as well. So this one's a little bit thicker than that. Okay, gorgeous, deep, amazing color, and I use this as the base coat in Sushi Mountain. So pretty. That's the one that was the wandering wing pour with the orange and the bronze. And it was just it's really, really cool. That contrast between that negative space with the Paynes Grey and that orange and really bright pops of color was amazing. Okay, and the first one that's over here is Amsterdam's Greenish Blue. Let's see that, yeah. I love this color. Really, really pretty. Again, this one really pops against that dark Paynes Grey. Beautiful contrast. And the human eye responds to contrast. We like contrast. So if you create contrast in your work, I'm kind of ahead of the game a little bit. This is Amsterdam Bronze. I won't talk about my love affair with Amsterdam Bronze, but...
Better not, there's a couple of jars of 24 karat gold over there that I get jealous.
No. But this is just, it's something really beautiful. And I love it, like when we saw the dried results in this. You know, that bling without being overpowering and without taking over, you know, it's just awesome. It's very well behaved versus the 24 karat can get very bossy sometimes. Okay, then we have Amsterdam Titanium White just by itself, nothing else in there. The pouring medium tonight is Liquitex Gloss Medium and Floetrol. And then the last color we are using is this beautiful one, Pebeo Studios Iridescent Blue Green. Gorgeous. I love this. Okay, so game plan is we're going to be using our 16-ounce split cup with a handle from Tracy Reed, and this one has 5 chambers. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to put that Paynes Grey in the center chamber, because a really cool thing happened when it's the same color as the base coat, and then it made everything else look like it was floating on top of this, which was kind of awesome. So we're going to do that again. Now I want to put the greenish blue on one side, and then I want to put the white in between there, or the bronze in between there. So I'm going to kind of split the difference. My friend Nate Bright from Nate Bright Art, who's also teaching at FAE, did that in his wing pour that was Alvin's Return. Yeah, that's it. Alvin's Return. And it was really, really pretty. So he layered the white and the gold together. So I'm going to layer the bronze and the white together in both of these two chambers on the side. I'm going to put a little bit of white in both of them.
You should do it opposite. Like white on the bottom of that one and bronze on the bottom of the other one. And then switch it.
Okay, my love. A little bit of bronze on this one. And I'll put some bronze in here. I'll put some white in both. One more layer of bronze. And one more white. Okay. And then we're going to be using our iridescent blue-green on the other side. So with split cups, in my experience, I found that whatever you put on the outer chambers is going to be more prominent in the painting. And that's kind of what I want. Okay. Alright. Now we need to put our base coat down real quick. Okay, so what we're going to do, HOA, is we're going to do figure eights down this way.
Aye.
And then we're going to come back up through it again.
Okay.
So do I want to go? Okay. Alright. What if I didn't start like in the middle? What if I like kind of wandered with it? Let's wander with it a little bit. Okay, so we're going to start kind of over here.
Okay.
Alright, here we go. Are you ready, husband of awesomeness?
Aye, lass, that I am.
Here we go. So we're going to do figure eights for a pretzel pour. Oh, that's pretty. I'm going to do smaller ones. If I can figure out how to do an 8. Backwards. Okay. That's pretty cool looking.
Wow. That's pretty cool like it is. Okay, right. Let it dry.
All right.
And it has a street art look to it right now.
Yeah, kind of graffiti-ish.
Yeah.
Okay. Actually, it looks like a smile with braces to me.
Cheshire cat with braces.
Yeah, right? Okay, I'm okay with leaving negative space, but I really do want to open up these lines, so this is going to kind of go off that way. I'm going to take it down. Come back a little bit. And then lock it in. I like it. What do you think, HOA?
Yeah, huh?
So the question is do we take off some more of this bottom edge and open it up even more? Or do we try to bring it back and let's see what happens? I think we might be done. What do you think?
Really like it.
Yeah, me too. It's cool. Okay.
I really love the edge for some reason. The edge that's facing me. Is it the same on the other side?
Yeah, it's pretty cool. Oh, that is pretty. Alright, awesome. We're done. Now it kind of reminds me of one of those headdresses for the Vegas dancers. Yeah. The feathers.
Mardi Gras.
Yeah. I'm not going to torch it again because there's already a lot of little cells popping up that are going to annoy me and I don't want any more. And they'll pop. So this is cool. Thank you so much to Lee Masse from Masse Art Studio for his stuffed pretzel idea. I really enjoyed this. I hope you guys will check out his video and check out our website at fluidartexperience.com. Please come and hang out with us. Come and paint. Get your dinners, get your lunches, check out all the amazing artists. It's going to be a good time. I will show you guys this one when it's dry. I hope, if not in this video, then in the next one.